Let's go to work. Okay, so you come to your boiler and it's showing E119, which is low water pressure. So here's a quick video on how to resolve that issue. So if you look under the boiler, you'll find one valve and two valves. If you open up the first valve and then listen for the noise, that's the noise you're looking for. When you discharge, open that up, come back up to here and watch the gauge, keeping your hand on one of the valves so that when it goes into the green, the error code goes away. Charge it back up into the green section, which is in the 1 to 1.5 bar. Once you've got it in the 1 to 1.5 bar, turn the valve off. Turn the valve off and then go to the other valve and make sure that's closed. The display now shows no error and you have the right pressure.